This video is gonna be on how to clear your AirPods. As you can see, I have my AirPods here on my keychain. I do a lot of mechanic work, so it gets pretty dirty, as you can see in there, all around. Also in the buds, can you see that? There you go. So what you're gonna want to do is, I'm gonna take this off the keychain first. Take it off the keychain. And then we're gonna take it out of the case. Open this back, push through. I got this from my local flea market, but I've seen similar ones on Amazon for about 99 cents, $2. It's not that expensive. And so here's the AirPod charging case. As you can see here, it's all dirty. So we're gonna clean this thing up. All right. So you're gonna want to take that out.
Wearing a crown as they accepted the Brit Award for Best International Group.
Thank you so much to the Brit Awards for this incredible honor. You guys have always been so supportive. Everything is love. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Beyonce shared this video on Instagram saying, in honor of Black History Month, we bow down to one of our melanated Monas. That's a reference to one of their music videos in which they stood
headphone. You're gonna want to take a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol. As you can see here, rubbing alcohol, 50%. All right, then you're gonna want to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol inside, being careful not to get any inside of the AirPods speaker drum. You're gonna want to dip your Q-tip, boom, open up your AirPod box, and then you're gonna want to, boom, gently go inside of here, scrub everything out, get inside the cracks and the crevices, keeping the door open ever so gently, and just cleaning around, giving a good scrub, going around the base and the trimming of the AirPods. And this way, after you finish, it'll leave it odorless. It won't smell like anything. You won't have to worry about any type of soap or anything being inside of your ears. Alcohol dissolves rather quickly, so you don't have to worry about any liquids being left behind. All right, there we go. Look at that. Let's get in the inside of this. I missed a spot over here, and this Q-tip will let you get into spaces that your finger can't with a rag or anything like that.
We do want to wish you a happy Thursday morning to our instant fan of the day. Today it is Courtney Clark. Courtney, thanks
there
for
you
watching.
go.
You two can follow
Get that out of there.
Instagram. You can be here tomorrow.
Come on.
Remember, you can also get the latest headlines on
There you
our
go.
stories. Make sure you check them out.
Get all up in there.
On the Local 10 News Instagram. You can see them now.
There you go. Clean that up and get the other side. Get the other side.
This President's Day, experience accurate performance of the 7-passenger MDX.
Okay.
Hurry in for a test drive today.
Boom.
The 2019 MDX for $439 a month with love followed by custom.
Take a look at that box.
Rooms to go
Take a
outdoor
look
is
at that
extending our
inside.
President's Day sale. Last weekend, you brought home big savings
There you
on
go.
indoor furniture.
Nice and
This
clean.
week, big
Boom.
on outdoor
Now,
furniture. From the pool
You're gonna want to get rid of this.
During the outdoor
Boom.
President's Day sale, save on beautiful
Grab another one.
seating, dining, sectionals,
Boom.
and poolside sets. Save on
Dip,
wicker,
dip, dip.
teak,
Now,
more.
time for the pods themselves. You can see inside of there. Can you see?
5 years. Hurry, the extended
how dirty that is. So we're just gonna wanna boom, boom, clean that up. Take the dry side. Boom, boom, boom. Make sure nothing gets inside. Then you're gonna want to take the base, give it a nice scrubbing. Boom. Boom. Get the mic, then hit it with the dry side. Hit it with the dry side over the spots that you did. Hit it with the dry side. That's perfect. You good to go. Okay, wet side, one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Go over the drum. Boom. Get all that dirt out of the drum. Hit it with the dry side. Hit it with the dry side. Get all of that. Get all of that. Make sure all that nasty. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, kid. You see how dirty that is? Jesus Christ. I can't, bro. Jesus. I can't. Ew. That's disgusting. I can't. That's nasty. Alright. Boom, boom. That's done. AirPods. This is the main part I'm worried about because it's going in my ear. I don't want no infection. I don't want none of that. So I gotta keep them clean, nice, everything good. Boom. The box is good. The outside of the box, I mean, obviously you could just take a rag, microfiber. You can take a microfiber towel real quick because I know, why you ain't do nothing with the outside of the box? Don't worry about it. We're just gonna take a microfiber towel. I'll take a little bit of this alcohol that's down here, and we can just rub that off. Rub that off. Boom, boom. Rub that off. No big deal. We all know how to clean, bro. Like it's the outside of the box. But the inside, use that alcohol, bro. Boom. Nice and white. Boom. 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 Nice and white. Boom. We good. Boom. We good. Boom. We good. Matter of fact, I'll even go and clean the case so I don't get no negative comments. Oh, you did that, but you ain't clean the inside of the case. Boom. Inside. Give it a nice wipe down in the inside. Boom. Look this out the room. Nice wipe down the inside. Boom. The dirt. Boom. Wait, dip some more alcohol. Come back. Let's get the top portion. Boom. That top. For all the haters. Boom. We good. Let's get the dry side. Boom. Go in here. Boom. Oh, pop that in. Ooh, nice, clean, fresh AirPods.
Alrighty, well, let's take a look at 595 because you're gonna need a break after all this traffic. We do have an accident in the eastbound lane that has you pumping those brakes for sure as you're approaching University Drive. Those delays.
Thanks for watching. Ooh, AirPods, nice, fresh, clean. And that's how you clean your AirPods.